If you're a beginner and still confused about whether you should buy a DVR or an XVR for your CCTV system, then this quick review is going to make everything crystal clear in just a few minutes. Let us start with the basics. DVR stands for Digital Video Recorder and is the traditional system used for analog CCTV cameras. DVRs are simple, affordable, and easy to use, which makes them perfect for small shops, homes, and basic security setups. They use coaxial cables, meaning installation is straightforward, but video quality is limited, usually HD or slightly higher depending on the camera. DVRs don't give you advanced smart features like human detection, face detection, or smart alerts, and the remote app experience is usually basic. If you want affordable security without smart functions, DVR still works in 2.0-5, but it's not very future-proof. Now let's talk about XVR, also known as hybrid recorder, which is basically a modern and more flexible version of the DVR. XVR supports all types of cameras: analog, HD, coaxial, and IP cameras, making it the perfect choice for beginners who want flexibility and room to upgrade later. With an XVR, you can keep your old cameras, add new HD cameras, and even install IP cameras in the future without replacing the whole system. XVR recorders also support higher resolutions like 2MP, 5MP, or even 8MP depending on the model, and include useful basic AI features like motion detection, intrusion detection, and perimeter alerts. This makes XVR a smarter choice for beginners because you get more features, more compatibility, and better performance overall. Think of DVR as a basic entry-level device and XVR as an upgraded version with extra options that help you grow your security system over time. So which one should beginners choose? If you're setting up your first CCTV system and want future flexibility, better camera options, and semi-smart features, then XVR is clearly the better option. DVR is good only if your budget is extremely limited and you don't plan on upgrading your system at all. In short, DVR is simple but limited, while XVR is beginner-friendly, powerful, future-proof, and the most practical option for 2025. I hope this quick review helped you understand the real difference between DVR and XVR. If you're new to CCTV and want more easy guides, comparisons, and setup tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful video from Technical One Anchor.